Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy kiwi banana smoothie. It makes a great breakfast, so if you need to make breakfast on the go, you can get this prepped and it's super easy. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe as well as loads of variations, so you can make a lovely kiwi banana breakfast smoothie to suit your tastes. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this smoothie recipe a try and any other smoothies you'd like me to come up with for you. So let me chat you through the ingredients and we'll put it together. So obviously we've got banana and kiwi. It's one kiwi chopped up and one banana chopped up. Now if you want, you could freeze your banana. When you get extra ripe bananas, chop them up, freeze them, and then you're going to have a super cool frosty smoothie. So it's up to you if you want to have fresh or frozen. And I'm going to add oats in. It just makes it a perfect breakfast. So there's a third of a cup of oats over there. I'm adding maple syrup. Now the fruit is pretty sweet, but I do quite like maple syrup added to my smoothies. It just adds a bit of extra nutrition, and just in case the fruit isn't sweet enough, it'll just a smidge of it will make it super sweet. And I'm using oat milk. That's kind of been the milk I've been using lately. So but you can use any milk you like. You can use oat milk as well. You can use almond milk, dairy milk, any milk you want. So let's put the smoothie together. Okay, so we'll pop all the ingredients into the blender. I'm using my NutriBullet so it goes into the cup. I've got my banana going in and the kiwi. Just readjusted your view so you can see inside maybe a bit easier. I'm going to add in the oats. This just makes it a whole breakfast. About a teaspoon of maple syrup. And I'll pour over a cup of milk. Okay, now we'll pop it on to blend. Okay, I'll pop on the lid. And we'll pop it on to blend. And there you go, and it's done, and we'll just pour it out into a glass. Okay, I've got my glass here. We'll just pour it out. And you can top it with some banana, with some more kiwi. You can also add in some peanut butter if you want for extra protein, chia seeds, nuts, whatever you like. But it's just such a simple breakfast. You could really drink it straight out of that if you want to as well. It makes a couple of cups worth. You could even pop it in a bowl, mix through some yogurt. There are so many options, which I'll pop down in the blog post down below. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has all of the recipes, step-by-step instructions, as well as loads of flavor variations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.